Hi, I'm Steve Garfink, and I'm here to tell you about a video I created that's designed to show you how to get the most out of your Social Security retirement benefits. Why do you need to be educated about your benefits? Well, if you're at all like I was until just a few years ago, then you don't know that claiming at the wrong age can cost you dearly. For singles, many tens of thousands of dollars, and for most married couples, easily $100,000. For some, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we're talking serious money here. Also, there are certain benefits that some of you may already qualify for without even knowing it, yet you lose those benefits if you fail to claim them. I'll give you an example. One client who was waiting to claim at a later age in order to get a higher work-based benefit was completely unaware that she was qualified to collect an $1,100 benefit in the meantime, until we explained it to her. While we did show her how to sign up for it right away, she still lost several $1,000s in benefits simply because she didn't know to claim this benefit earlier when she first qualified for it. And if she hadn't spoken with us, she might never have realized it. And the Social Security Administration does not go out and inform you if and when this benefit is available to you. Not all your benefits are automatic, and few people know this. This video will show you exactly how to minimize the chance of making such costly mistakes. I spent 34 years working in business planning and finance in my career, so when it came time to get serious about retirement planning for me and my wife, I thought I had just the right skills to take this on. Pretty soon, my retirement planning efforts led me to take a closer look at how our Social Security benefits would figure into our overall plans, and I was frankly astonished to discover just how poorly I understood this complicated program. And the more I looked into it, the more surprised I became at the lack of any good educational materials that were available to assist us in getting the most out of our benefits. As you will see in the video, the Social Security website will not provide this kind of information as a matter of policy. So I spent quite a few years reading all the books about Social Security I could get my hands on, the kind targeted at financial professionals so that they can help their clients, and studying the Social Security Program Operations Manual system. While I continue to learn about this incredibly complex program, I've gotten to the point where I have a sound understanding of the fundamentals of just how the Social Security program works. This video is designed to give you the benefit of all those years of my research condensed down to just those main essentials that you're most likely to need to know. Here's what this video is not about. It's not about whether Social Security is a good deal or a good investment. You won't learn the pros and cons of the program or any of that. There are plenty of videos covering these issues from all points of view out there on the internet. So if that's what you're looking for, you're wasting your time here. Rather, this is a video designed to help you understand how the program works so you can get the most out of your Social Security retirement benefits when the time comes based on current law and regulations. Now, I couldn't find good videos that address this issue when I started looking for this kind of information years ago, and believe me, I spent a lot of time looking, and I still can't find any. So I made this one so you won't have that problem. Who should watch this video? Anyone who's paid taxes into the Social Security system during most of their working career, and that's just about everybody. If you've ever received a statement of benefits in the mail from the Social Security Administration, then you almost certainly qualify. For any baby boomer who hasn't started their benefits yet, you owe it to yourself to see the information in this video before you file a claim. As you will quickly learn, filing at the wrong age without understanding the consequences is usually very costly, and I can't repeat it enough. We're talking many tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars of lost benefits. Come on, Steve, what's the catch? I hear you asking. So let me be crystal clear on the two things you'll have to do to learn how to get the best chance to collect the most out of your Social Security benefits. First, you need to provide a way for me to get in touch with you. That way, I'll be able to keep you informed about changes to Social Security that may alter some of the information contained in this video sometime down the road. For instance, there used to be a rule whereby you could file for your benefits at an early age, say 62, then turn around and repay all those benefits in full without interest as late as age 70 and restart your benefits at the higher benefit level. Essentially, this was an interest-free loan. A couple of years ago, the Social Security Administration issued a ruling that disallowed this practice, except in a very limited way, effectively getting rid of the option. Yet no notice was sent to anyone, and the rule went into effect when it was published. I continue to meet people who think the old rule still applies, some of whom had locked themselves into a benefit level that they could now no longer change. I'll endeavor to keep you informed as needed so that something like this doesn't happen to you. Second, and most important, to get all the benefits of this video, you have to grant me about 90 minutes of your time by watching it. That's it. You don't have to buy anything, nor the commitment required. And in exchange for the gift of your time, and I say gift because I know your time is valuable, I promise you that by the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how to create a claiming strategy for your benefits that will help you get the most out of your Social Security, with the result that you're likely to receive tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in increased benefits during your lifetime. In other words, I promise you that this will be one of the best investments of an hour and a half of your time that you're ever going to make. Please go to my Social Security Now or Later website. That's at socialsecuritynoworlater.com, or simply ssnol.com, and provide your name and email address in the sidebar, and we will get you the link to the video right away. This video presentation is developed from workshops I've conducted over the last year, mostly for financial professionals and sometimes with the general public. In a recent public workshop made up almost entirely of baby boomers that I led in Campbell, California, I decided to collect some audience feedback with a short written and anonymous survey afterwards. In one question, I asked participants, please rank your level of agreement with this statement on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is strongly disagree and 10 is strongly agree. The statement was, I would strongly recommend this seminar to other baby boomers. The average was 9.9 out of 10. In other words, basically 10 out of 10 of your fellow baby boomers would strongly recommend this information to you. So please go to my Social Security Now or Later website. That's at socialsecuritynoworlater.com, or simply ssnol.com, and provide your name and email address in the sidebar on your right so you can gain access to this critical information about your Social Security benefits now. In the meantime, this is Steve Garfink from Social Security Now or Later, wishing you a terrific future, especially one that's free from financial worries of any kind.